Yeah, hi friends, welcome to our channel. And now I am going to discuss on the question that came in the year of 2019 in IGNOU in TS1 exam. So I'm going to discuss about the question that is discuss the role and function of street guides. What are the reasons for lack of credibility of street guides in the market? So we can see that street guides, tots, uh, in short, we say street guides, tots. Okay, and tots are individuals who provide valuable information to the tourist regarding accommodation, transportation, and guide them on sightseeing. But working in informal sector, thus up to some extent, they alleviate the information problem faced by the tourist. While tourists have some monetary resources, they lack social resources such as knowledge of local language, price levels, and local customs. The street guides possess these social resources and use these to advantage by offering services for a price. Advantages functions of touts. Touts means street guides. So touts provide the fresh and correct information to the tourist. The touts menu will have a larger number of prices listed than the average tourist could gather information through direct search by himself. With the help of tout, the individual tourist will be better informed than they would otherwise have been. Touts can provide any kind of information to the tourist and also work as translator and helps tourists to interact with the local people. And a good tout means street guides can provide any kind of information to the tourist and also works as translator and helps tourist to interact with the local people. So as I already said to you, and and a good thought may be the best guide to the tourist. The Seine European Community for Standardization definition for the tourist guide. Part of the work by Seine on definition for terminology within the tourism industry is a person who guides visitors in the language of their choice and interprets the cultural and natural heritage of an area. Which person normally possesses an area specific qualification, usually issued and or organized by the appropriate authority. Sen also defines as a tour manager as a person who manages and supervise the itinerary on behalf of the tour operator, ensuring the program is carried out as described in the tour operator's literature and sold to the traveler consumer, and who gives local practical information. So in Europe, tourist guides are represented by FEG, the European Federation of Tourist Guide Association. In Europe, the tourist guiding qualification is specific to each and every country. In some cases, the qualification is national. In some cases, it is broken up into regions. In all cases, it is embedded in the educational and training ethic of that country. EN 15565 is a European standard for the training and qualification of tourist guides. In Australia, tour guides are qualified to a minimum of certificate third guiding. They belong to a couple of organizations, notably the Professional Tour Guide Association of Australia (PTGAA) and Guides of Australia (GOA). In Japan, tour guides are required to pass a certification exam by the Commissioner of the Japan Tourism Agency and registered with the relevant prefectures. Non-licensed guides caught performing guide interpreter activities can face a fine up to 500,000 yen. In India, it's mandatory to own the license approved by the Ministry of Tourism, India. To work officially as a tourist guide, the government provides the license to regional level tour guide and also runs a regional level guide training program, that is RLGTP, in India. So these programs and trainings sessions are conducted under the guidance of Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, that is IITTM, or other government recognized institution. So in South Africa, tourist guides are required to register in term of Tourism Act 3rd 2014. Training must be done through a trainer accredited by the Culture, Arts, Tourism, Hospitality and Sports Sector Education and Training Authority. So friends, this was the answer. That's it. This was the answer of the second question, second number question, which came in year 2019 June month in TS1 exam. So please share our, please subscribe our channel for a more further update. We will, means I will also bring a new question answer. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Goodbye.